Hello everyone. So what's up? And I'm Slesha here. And today I'm going to tell you that how can we add a link into our HTML file. So we can do it by using the anchor tag. So let's see how we can do it. So I'm here in Visual Studio Code and this is my index.html file. You can create simply by clicking on this and then you can write the name of your file .html. So that's how we do it, but I don't need it for now, so I can remove it. I've already made my file. Here we can add a link. So for adding a link, just write a, then href. A stands for the anchor tag, and href, now you can write the URL where you want your user to go when they click on the link. So here I can simply type for now YouTube. It can be any type of link. It may be a custom URL just like youtube.com. Oh, I forgot to put the www. So don't make such type of mistakes. Then you can close this and this tag is automatically closed over here. Then we can write some text. Just we can write YouTube here. We can also give a simple heading to this page, that what this page is about. We can write the anchor tag. Now just let's run our code and check it that is it running properly or not. First let's save it. Let's run. So here you can see that YouTube is coming in blue color, and also there's a line under YouTube which represents that it is a link. And when we click on it, so we are navigated to YouTube, and here we are. So it's as simple as that. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section. And I can tell you one more thing, that here was a link which was a custom URL. Here, instead of YouTube, you can also add a link to another file in the same folder. Just like I can write here anything, I can make a file demo.html and I can save it and copy and paste some code, and here no, remove it. I can write here page 2. So whenever anybody will click on the link, they will be navigated to this page 2, and we can save it. And here in index.html, now we'll write the href of our demo page where we want our user to be navigated. So here it is, demo.html. Here we can write our another page, anything you can write, the text which you want to be displayed as a link on your site, and you can save it. And then when you refresh it, you'll see our another page, and when you click on it, you'll go to page 2. So it's as simple as that. And as you can see, one more thing, that when we grow from one link to another, uh, the link, the color of the link changes. So that means that we have clicked on it once. So that's all for today. And thanks a lot for watching. And also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.